Buhai, welcome. Got a small cactus unboxing for you today. These come from Cactusland.co.uk. Ordered from them in the past, always been happy with the plants, always been good quality. So yeah, let's get in here. I think there's 4 in here if I can remember rightly. Yeah, the reason I got some of these as well, my girlfriend showed me some pictures and I saw the flowers on them and I checked the website and they had them on there. One of the main reasons why I got them, because of the flowers. Let's move that out of the way. That's the top. That's pretty lethal. Just stab myself on it. So yeah, this is Helianthocerius crassicolus. I'll show you some pictures of these again at the end as well, and what they look like in flower. There's a bit of confusion with this one actually. It's known as an echinopsis as well, or a labivia. Yeah, nice looking plant. Gets a nice flower on it, that one. Next one. Always packaged well. So yeah, that one is echinopsis Kratof. I can't pronounce that. I'll put the name at the bottom anyway, like I usually do. But yeah, that gets a nice white flower on it, that one. Two more. I can already feel this one's lethal. Flower buds on it, this one. Bonus. Ow! Yeah, that's lethal. Yeah, that's a nice plant. That is Neopteria pygmea, I think, or pygmy. Again, this is one that's a bit of confusion with this one. It's known as other things as well. But yeah, nice plant. Nice flower buds on there. Those spines are lethal. Right, last one. This is the main one that I wanted. Hopefully you can see these okay. Like I said, I'll put some pictures at the end. And that's Echinopsis aurea variety Dubina. Gets a stunning red flower on it. Just bring them all into view. Yeah, nice plants. Can't repot these yet because I'm out of pots, so like I said, I'll show some pictures at the end and what they look like when they're flowering. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Salamat po, paalam. Bye for now.